All right, we're back in Mr. Adkins' class again, and today we're going to be discussing the STARS system of sight reading music. It's what we do each and every time we get a new piece of music. There are 6 different parts because I'm adding another A in the word STARS. So we have STARS. So we're going to just do the first 3. So the first S of the STARS stands for our signatures. Now we have 2 different types of signatures. So S is signatures, and we have a key signature, and the key signature is found between the treble clef sign and the time signature. Even if there's nothing there, that's a key signature. It's a key of C, no flats, no sharps. Okay, there's always a key signature in every song. So the key signature is between the treble clef and the time signature, and its definition is flats or sharps. No naturals and key signatures unless sometimes they do a key change and then they'll put the natural in there so that they change something. Flats and sharps placed at the beginning of the piece that tells tonality. Now, when you get your piece of music, you're going to want to go down the left side of the page. When you go down the left side of the page, all the way down to the bottom, if it's 2 pages, you flip it over, go down the left side of that page, and look at the very beginning of each line. If there's a key change in your song, that's how you can spot it out. And then once you see, oh, wait, it's not 1 flat, it's 2 flats here, you figure out where that key change was, and then you make note of that key change. Okay? So that's the key signature. Flats and sharps placed at the beginning of a piece or a different section that tells tonality. The T. I'm sorry. No, we have the other signature. The other signature is the time signature. Time signature, 4/4 is the common time. Time signature tells us 2 things. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number tells us what kind of note gets 1 beat. So we have seen different time signatures. We've seen the 3/4, we've seen the 2/4. We've had a 2/2, which maybe they didn't put 2/2, maybe they just put a cut time, like a C with a slash through it. That actually means 2/2. And we've also seen some 6/8 time. We've also seen in some of our music last year, I don't think this year, we've seen some 9/8 time where the 8th note got the beat and there are 3 sets of 3. Okay, so those are the different types of time signatures that we have. Okay, the next thing is the tempo. Tempo is the speed of the beat. The speed of the beat. Okay, we have several different tempos that we've dealt with in our beginning band book. And we're just going to talk about those few tempos right now. Your piece of paper your test paper is going to have 3 slots, but you can add a 4th and a 5th if you like, if we know any more tempos. Andante is the first. And that's the slower walking tempo. Then we have moderato, which means medium tempo. And then we have allegro, which means fast tempo. Okay? Andante, slower walking, moderato, medium, and allegro, fast. We also have largo, which is slow. Then we have allegretto, which is fast, but not as fast as allegro. And there's several more, okay? So whichever ones of those that you want to add, you can just add those.